BitTorrent holder. Today video is very special for BitTorrent holder because I gonna show you the result of one day, because this is very important for our holder, because all cryptocurrencies has go down and they decided to this is selling time, but this is absolutely very wrong. So why they wrong, why this is wrong to they sell it, why what we do, this is holding time or selling time or buying time. So everything in this video, please click the subscribe, because if you get subscribe this channel, then absolutely I inform you good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is good channel for all cryptocurrencies holders. So let's get started the BitTorrent price prediction. Okay guys, so first of all I gonna show you the 1 hour result. The 1 hour result absolutely very important for you. The 1 hour result is in the is in the plus. You can see here plus 1.34% going up. So this is absolutely a good. BitTorrent is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Absolutely every time they're going up. But if in those days they can go up, then absolutely this is fastest. All cryptocurrencies as goes down because this is the start of month, and all cryptocurrencies and those days goes down. But one BitTorrent as absolutely goes up in those days. Absolutely this is very fastest cryptocurrencies. So don't sell it and just buy it. If you check it out the last 1 day result, let me check it out the last 1 day result and then decide to this is selling time or buying time. Okay guys, so first of all I click on the 1 day result and then decided to this is selling and buying time. Oh my goodness, absolutely this is good news for a BitTorrent. If you can see here, this is plus 9.03% gone up. So this is absolutely mind-blowing reason. Oh my goodness, if you can see here the price change that you can see here that they easily cross $1 and just a few days. I hope they can easily cross $1 and just a few days. And if you can see here this type that they can go up like a rocket, absolutely like a rocket they go up. If they can go up like a rocket at the mid of this month, I hope they beat $10. What you say they can cross $10? Please BitTorrent holder, if you are a holder, then absolutely this is good for you to please share your opinion, because I am also BitTorrent holder. BitTorrent is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies and this is very fastest cryptocurrencies. So don't sell it, just buy it. This is absolutely good time for buying. What's your opinion? This is a buying time or this is selling time? Please share in the comment box. Absolutely this is good for me and all our holders, and absolutely good for all holders. You share your opinion. Please share in our comment box and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you click on the subscribe button, then absolutely this is good channel for you. I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.